3200 BCE. Early Egyptian astronomy. Egypt around 3200 BCE, where the stars were not just twinkling lights in the night sky but keys to understanding the universe. This period marks the advent of Egyptian astronomy, an endeavor that significantly influenced human knowledge and culture. Ancient Egyptian astronomers, by meticulously observing the heavens, laid the groundwork for a scientific tradition that would endure for millennia. Their insights into celestial phenomena went beyond mere curiosity, intertwining with religion, agriculture, and governance, and echoing through the corridors of time. As we explore the origins and development of this ancient science, we unveil how these early stargazers shaped not only their world but also left an indelible mark on the entire course of human history. Join us in discovering the celestial legacy of ancient Egypt, a testament to human intellect and the quest for understanding the cosmos. Before the emergence of formal astronomy in ancient Egypt, the civilization around 3200 BCE was already a tapestry of innovation and complexity. Situated along the fertile banks of the Nile River, this society was ripe for advancements that would intertwine with the celestial tapestry above. In these early times, the Egyptians had developed rudimentary methods of timekeeping and calendar systems, essential for managing the agricultural cycles vital to their survival. The annual flooding of the Nile, which enriched the land for farming, was a central event, dictating the rhythm of agricultural and social life. Observing natural cycles, including the movements of the sun and moon, played a crucial role in predicting the flood and planning agricultural activities. However, these early methods were based more on observation of terrestrial events than on systematic celestial study. The need for more precise timekeeping and understanding of celestial patterns became evident as the society grew in complexity. Governance, religion, and architecture in ancient Egypt were increasingly influenced by the need for accurate calendars and an understanding of the cosmos. It was in this context that the seeds of Egyptian astronomy were sown. The desire to predict the annual flood, coupled with religious and cultural factors, propelled the Egyptians to look towards the heavens for answers. The sky, with its predictable patterns and cycles, offered a vast and untapped resource for understanding and organizing their world. Thus, the pre-astronomy context in Egypt set the stage for a more formal study of the heavens. The early Egyptian astronomers were not just stargazers, they were pioneers at the intersection of science, agriculture, and spirituality, seeking to harmonize their existence with the rhythms of the universe. As the Egyptian civilization evolved, a remarkable transformation occurred in the way they viewed and understood the heavens. Around 3200 BCE, the early Egyptians began to transition from simple celestial observations to a more structured study of the sky, laying the foundations of what we now recognize as Egyptian astronomy. This transformation was driven by both practical needs and spiritual beliefs. The practical aspect was largely agricultural. The Egyptians needed to predict the annual flooding of the Nile with greater accuracy to improve their agricultural practices. They began to notice that certain celestial events, like the heliacal rising of the star Sirius, were closely aligned with the Nile's flooding. This observation became a cornerstone in their calendar system, allowing for better planning and management of agricultural activities. On the spiritual side, the sky held immense religious significance for the Egyptians. They viewed celestial bodies as manifestations of deities and believed that understanding the heavens was a way to gain insight into the divine realm. This religious reverence spurred detailed observations and recordings of the stars, planets, and other celestial phenomena. The development of Egyptian astronomy was marked by the creation of star charts and the identification of constellations. These early astronomers also began to develop methods for tracking the lunar cycle and the movements of planets. Their observations were not only scientific endeavors but also intertwined with mythology and symbolism. The emergence of astronomy in ancient Egypt was a significant event, as it represented a shift from observational practices to a more systematic study of the cosmos. This period marked the beginning of an astronomical tradition that would greatly influence not only Egyptian society but also the future course of astronomical study and understanding. The field of astronomy in ancient Egypt was not merely about observing the stars, it was a blend of scientific ingenuity and profound cultural significance. As Egyptian astronomers delved deeper into the study of the heavens, their achievements and innovations became pivotal in the advancement of not just their own civilization, but also in laying the groundwork for future astronomical endeavors. One of the most significant achievements of Egyptian astronomy was the development of a solar calendar. Building upon their observations of the star Sirius and the Sun, the Egyptians created a calendar year of 365 days, divided into 12 months of 30 days each, with an additional 5 days of festivities at the year's end. This solar calendar was revolutionary, far more accurate than any lunar or lunisolar calendars of that time, and it greatly influenced later calendar systems. Another remarkable innovation was the use of sundials and water clocks. These timekeeping devices were among the earliest of their kind, allowing the Egyptians not just to divide the day into smaller units, but also to measure time during the night. This advancement was crucial for both daily life and religious rituals, which often required precise timing. The Egyptians' understanding of celestial cycles also had profound architectural implications. Monumental structures like the Great Pyramids of Giza were aligned with incredible precision to celestial events. The alignment of the pyramids with the stars of Orion's belt, for instance, is often interpreted as a reflection of the Egyptians' religious beliefs, associating the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife with the eternal stars. Furthermore, the field of Egyptian astronomy was deeply intertwined with astrology. The movement and position of celestial bodies were believed to have direct impacts on the fate of the kingdom and its people. This belief system led to the creation of detailed star charts and astrological texts, which were used to make predictions and guide decisions. In the realm of record-keeping, Egyptian astronomers meticulously documented celestial phenomena, such as eclipses and planetary movements. These records are invaluable, providing modern historians and astronomers with insights into the astronomical knowledge and capabilities of the time. The astronomical achievements and innovations of ancient Egypt were remarkable for their time. They showcased not only a deep understanding of the celestial realm, but also a profound connection between the heavens and various aspects of human life, from agriculture and architecture to religion and governance. These advancements were significant milestones in the journey of human understanding of the cosmos, echoing through time as a testament to the ingenuity and curiosity of our ancestors. The influence of astronomy in ancient Egypt extended far beyond the realm of scholarly observation. It permeated every aspect of Egyptian society, culture, and even influenced civilizations beyond its borders. This profound impact is a testament to how the ancient Egyptians not only observed the heavens, but integrated this knowledge into their daily lives, beliefs, and practices. In agriculture, Egyptian astronomy was fundamental. The reliance on the Nile's flooding for irrigation made it imperative to predict its occurrence accurately. The annual flooding was closely linked with the heliacal rising of Sirius, a fact that the Egyptians astutely observed and utilized. This celestial event marked the start of their new year and signaled the time for planting crops. Such was the precision of their calendar that it remained in use for millennia, ensuring that agricultural practices were synchronized with the natural cycles, sustaining the Egyptian civilization. Astronomy also had a profound influence on Egyptian architecture and urban planning. Many of their temples and monuments were aligned with astronomical events, such as solstices and equinoxes. This alignment was not merely for aesthetic or practical reasons, but was deeply rooted in their religious beliefs. The heavens were a map of the afterlife, and aligning structures with celestial bodies was a way to mirror the divine order on earth. The religious impact of astronomy in Egyptian society cannot be overstated. The movement of celestial bodies was intertwined with the pantheon of Egyptian gods and goddesses. Stars and planets were often personified as deities, and celestial events were seen as divine messages. This integration of astronomy into their religion helped to reinforce the authority of the priesthood and the pharaoh, who were considered intermediaries between the gods and the people. Egyptian astronomy also left its mark on neighboring civilizations through trade and cultural exchanges. Knowledge of the stars and celestial events was a valuable commodity, traded along with goods and artifacts. This exchange facilitated the spread of astronomical knowledge across the ancient world, influencing other cultures and contributing to the collective understanding of the cosmos. In essence, the impact of Egyptian astronomy on their society and beyond was profound and multifaceted. It shaped their calendar and agriculture, influenced their architecture and religion, and extended its reach to other civilizations. Egyptian astronomy was a cornerstone in the development of human understanding of the universe, a legacy that continues to inspire and inform to this day. The journey through ancient Egyptian astronomy, we stand in awe of a civilization that, over 5,000 years ago, turned their eyes to the stars and unlocked secrets of the cosmos that resonate to this day. Their meticulous observations, ingenious innovations, and profound integration of celestial knowledge into their culture marked a significant epoch in the annals of human history. The legacy of Egyptian astronomy is not confined to the past, it is a beacon that illuminates the path of human curiosity and scientific endeavor. It reminds us of our eternal quest to understand our place in the universe and our unending pursuit of knowledge. The stars that once guided ancient Egyptian farmers, priests, and architects continue to guide and inspire scientists, historians, and dreamers, bridging the past and present in the timeless pursuit of understanding our universe.